So
it's a stabilizer, a video stabilizer, so he can like shake and it'll stay constant. That's
Then he gets past the ball. He goes, and then just so slow.
part of the Chinese theater that was here a long time ago. Got it.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltap and the squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, and it'll be a smooth ride. Deck is in motion.
It's on deck 3 for Pokhara. primary motivator? Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
No operatorio de hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive nete, gani daro la AVU.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
AVU.
Thank you, 9-Up. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Then we got system scan rig.
Affirmative.
Then okay.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed. On my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Evasive action!
Try to shake him!
I'm trying!
Lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our friends in front and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under the command of the First Order. We'll disembark immediately and proceed to interrogation. This way, sympathizers off the ship. You'll be proceeding to the corridor to your right for processing. Keep your units together.
We have 3?
3 in the middle of this line. 2 of you will be along the wall. 8 and 2. 8 along the wall. Single file line. Right there. 8 line. Alright, resistance 5 will be processing now. Start here. How many here? 3. 3 stand on silver. Color silver.
Silver color. How many in this unit?
3.
3, you'll stand on orange. How many in this unit?
Emergency here.
Vivas,
Yes, General.
enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Cool. Sorry.
Wait, you're still here? Paul's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recontos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
And don't get caught. Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes on further.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detection was made.
There they are! Fire!
Escape pods just roll us!
Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. see it. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will restore you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's copy.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.